ANCA brings a lot of surprises whenever there is an exhibition. Now at EMO Hannover 2025, they are having a new innovation, a software which is going to improve your insert machining, insert grinding. Moreover, you will be able to find out who is the tool of the year 2025 at EMO Hannover.
As you're used with ANCA, we're always bringing new technology, this time under the motto, Partner for Precision and Profitability. So what does that mean? We want to make sure you as a precision tool manufacturer are able to manufacture the highest quality tools at the lowest cost per part. So how do we do that? We have a new machine for micro tools called the Micro X, which is going to be the top level for all micro tools. We bring our EPX Stream Finish machine. So if you want perfect edges on your machine, use this one, even for automation, even with self-learning AI processes. We also have our CPX, our very successful blank preparation machine, now with new features up to 40 millimeter diameter, good for sintered blanks, really rough machining together with a GDS Shark adapter, and new also for weld and flats on the machine. That's it for the machine side, and the automation side is something not to miss. You know our AIMS Automate system, the first and really working automation system for precision tool production. Now we have AIMS Connect as an entry level to this, where you can actually automate, digitize the process around your existing machine base.
We're going to launch a new software package, Inserts Pro, at EMO. And this inserts package is for insert, which is mostly for turning application.
We're gonna name the winner of the Tool of the Year, the Tool of the Year virtual category, and the Female Machinist of the Year. Always many entries from India. This time maybe we see a winner from India. Please come and see us this year at the EMO in Hall 11, F34.